Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, Devang. Devang is saying, I am ready with pen and copy. That's really nice, Devang. So, definitely, you are going to solve the sets that we are going to discuss, right? So, everyone, another session of logical reasoning and data interpretation practice where we are going to discuss two amazing sets from CAT 2024. Okay, if you haven't solved these sets, then you are going to enjoy solving these sets because these sets are not difficult, not easy, but these sets will test your basic knowledge in arithmetic, mostly in case of percentages, percentage increase, decrease, or averages, mod, median, the concepts regarding all of these. So, are you guys ready? If you are ready, then let's start with our first set, which is this one. So, this is the set, and I will show you guys all the questions so that whenever required you can try these questions on your own. These are the questions, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 questions are there. Now, if you have problem understanding the graph or any statement, then let me know. Okay. This is the graph. The values should be clear to you. If it is not clear, then let me know. Okay. Okay, Fincher fan, I removed the banner so that you can read rest of the information. Guys, these are the questions. Okay, whenever required, you can go back in the video and check all these questions. Okay, or you can just ask me in the comments to show the questions. Okay, to remind you guys, we are having these live sessions every day at 3 p.m., 5 p.m. and 9:30 p.m. LRDI session will be at 3 p.m. every day, and quant session will be at 5 p.m. every day, and VRC session will be at 9:30 p.m. every day. Okay, so you can clear your schedule during this time if possible, and you can try new sets, new questions every day, and got to learn the method that we are going to discuss, and you can improve your approach towards a particular question or particular type. Devang, free of cost on YouTube. Yes, that is going to be free of cost totally. Only on YouTube we are talking about. We are already having these sessions for some time now. That is good, Devang. I'm sure you are going to enjoy the session, and you will get to learn many things from here. Once again, these are the questions. Okay, if you are done with the set, then you can check your answers from here. Okay, Devang, looks like lots of you are struggling with this set. So let's discuss this. Over the top OTT subscribers of a platform are segregated into three categories: kid, elder, and others. Some of the subscribers used one app and the others used multiple apps to access the platform. The figure below shows the percentage of total number of subscribers in 2023 and 2024 who belong to the kid and elder categories. So out of all the subscribers in 2023, 15% belong to kid categories and 20% belong to kid categories in 2024. Similarly, for elder category 2023, there are 20% elder, and in 2024 there are 30% elder. The following additional facts are known about the numbers of subscribers. So, some information has been given. What are those information? The total number of subscribers increased by 10% from 2023 to 24. Total number of subscribers. In 2024, 1/2 of the subscribers from the kid category and 2/3 of the subscribers from the elder category subscribers use one app. Then it says in 2023, the number of subscribers from the kid category who used multiple apps was the same as the number of subscribers from the elder category who used one app. Then again it says 1,000 subscribers, 10,000 subscribers from the kid category used one app and 15,000 subscribers from the elder category used multiple apps in 2023. So, we have two different years 2023, 2024. We have three different categories, kid, elder and others, but others is not mentioned here. If you check the questions, there is not much about others categories. So, we do not need to worry about that. So, two different categories, kid and elder. Then there are two different types of those who are using one app and who are using multiple apps. Okay. So, Ayushman, you can keep solving it. Okay. In the time we are solving it, you can keep continuing solving this. Now, what do we want? We want a table where we can use all of these values. So, let us put kid and let us put elder. Then we can take this is for, let us say 2023, then this is one app and this is multiple apps. Right. And in case of, we can talk about another year, then kid, elder, right. So, one category and now two different years, we are talking about 2023, we are talking about 2024, two different years. Now, it is given that in 2023, what percent of kids were total subscribers? So, it is 15%, and from 2023 to 24, there is an increase of 10%. So, can I take some comfortable value like 100x, total is 100x, then in 2024, total will be 110x. Now, in case of kid, 15x, total number of kids who are using one app or multiple app is 15x. In case of elder, in 2023, it is 20x. Then in 2024, in 2000, yeah, 1 second, this is for elder, right? Yeah, that is correct. Now, in 2024, we can say kids are 20%. See, 10% increase, 20% of 110 will become 22x, and elders are 30%. So, this will become 33x. Now, I am sure this information is clear to all of you. If you have any doubt, then let me know. In 2023, we have assumed total subscribers as 100x, of which 15% are kids and 20% are elders. So 15x, 20x. In 2024, the total subscribers are 10% more than the total subscribers in 2023. So in 2023, if it was 100x, 2024 it will be 110x. Okay. So in 2024, as you can see, 20% are kids and 30% are elders. So 20% of 110, 22x, 30% of 110, 33x. Now, given information, it says the total number of subscribers increased by 10%. So we have used that already. In 2024, 1/2 of the subscribers from the kid category and 2/3 of the subscribers from the elder category subscribers use one app. So 1/2, 22x ka half. So this will be 11x. And so this will also be 11x. In case of elder category, 2/3. So 33 का 2/3 कितना हो जाएगा? 22x. This will become 11x. Now it says in 2023, the number of subscribers from kid category who used multiple apps was the same as kid category who used multiple apps. 2023. If this is Y, then in elder category, one app. This is also Y. These two are equal. 10,000 subscribers from kid category used one app. This is 10,000, right? And 15,000 from elder category used multiple apps. Okay. Now, what we can say? Can I say that 10,000 plus Y is 15x? 15,000 plus Y is 20x. So the difference is 5x and the difference is 5,000. Can I say 5x is equal to 5,000 और x is equal to 1,000? x की वैल्यू निकल आई, सारी वैल्यूज निकल आई, है ना? एक वैल्यू निकल आई तो सारी वैल्यूज निकल आई. Now let's solve these questions. How many subscribers belong to the others category in 2024? How many subscribers belongs to the other category in 2024? So out of 110x, 55x belong to kid and elder. So others will be 50, half of the 55x, right? So 55x means 55,000. Option A. Next question, what percentage of subscribers in the kid category used multiple apps in 2023? In what percent of subscribers in the kid category used multiple apps? So देखो, case of multiple apps, if this is Y, this total is 15,000, so this will be 5,000. Total is 15,000, of which 5,000 are using multiple categories. 5,000 out of 15,000. One third is nothing but 33.33%. Option D. Then the next question, it says what was the percentage increase in the number of subscribers in the elder category from 2023 to 24? In the elder category, number of subscribers increased. So it was 20x and this was 33x. So the increase is 13 out of 20. So 13 out of 20 into 100, 5 times. So this will be 65%. So our answer is option B. Now, next question. What could be the minimum percentage of subscribers who used multiple apps in 2024? What could be the minimum percentage of subscribers who used multiple apps in 2024? Multiple apps total 2024. This will be 22x. If I want to keep this minimum, I will have to assume that in rest of the other category, no one is using multiple apps, right? So 22x out of 110x, 1/5. 1/5 is nothing but 20%. So these are our answers. A, D, B, D. A, D, B, D. Siddhant got this absolutely correct. Ayushman, आ गए थे आंसर्स? बताओ, is that clear to everyone? If you have any doubts at any point, then let me know, okay? But the important part is assuming this value as 100x. You can also assume it as 100 and solve it, okay? But if you are taking value as x, then 1.1x, then you will have to deal with fractions, which could be a tedious work. थोड़ी calculation mistake हो सकती है वहाँ पे. That's why we have assumed 100x to keep it simple, है ना? बताओ, Devang, Fincher, is that clear now? Okay. All right, Devang. Thank you. चलो, अच्छी बात है. So try करते हैं next set. But before we try the next set, let's try to understand something. Are you guys aware of this term median? What is a median? What's a median? So if you write down few values in increasing order, then the middle term is the median. Let's say 1, 5, 11, 20, 23. We have 5 values, 1, 5, 11, 20, 23. If we write them in increasing order, they are already the middle term, the third term is the median, है ना? Then again, if you write down 1, 4, 8, 8, 6, 6, 7, 7, 7, ऐसा, what will be the median? So we will have to arrange them into increasing order like this, and then the middle term will be the median. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If there are 9 terms, then fifth term will be median, 9 plus 1 by 2. This fifth term is 7, and that will be the median, है ना? Now, are you aware of mode? What is mode? So mode is the term with maximum frequency, है ना? जैसे कि यहाँ पे कोई भी term multiple times नहीं है, तो यहाँ पे mod की कोई मतलब नहीं है. Although every term is a mod, but in this case 1, 4, 6, 6, 7, 7, 7, 8, 8, 7 has come maximum times. So in this case 7 will be the mode, है ना? जैसे अगर ऐसा लिखें 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4. So in all of these values, what will be the mode? Mode will be 4. The term which is most occurring, yes, we can also say that the term with maximum number of frequencies in the given information is known as mod. ठीक है? Now apart from that, how do we find weighted average? Weighted average is equal to, if let's say there is a group, one group has n1 number of elements and average is a1, this will be the total. Then another group with n2 number of elements and average is a2, and this divided by total number of elements. This is how you find weighted average for the given information. If there are some groups with some elements in each of these groups known as n1, n2, n3 till so on, and their averages are a1, a2, a3 and so on, then we use the weighted average like this. This is the formula for finding the weighted average. Apart from that, if you want to find, if there are 3 values, है ना, जैसे कि एक क्लास में लेट्स से बॉयज़ का जो एवरेज वेट है वो 60 kg है, गर्ल्स का जो एवरेज वेट है वो 50 kg है, एंड पूरी क्लास का जो एवरेज वेट है वो 52 kg है ना? सो व्हाट विल बी द रेशियो ऑफ बॉयज़ टू गर्ल्स? So one maximum value, one minimum value and one weighted average which is 52. 60 minus 52 is 8. 52 minus 50 is 2. So 2 is to 8 or 1 is to 4. The ratio of boys to girls will be 1 is to 4. So you can use the allegation whenever you are saying 3 values, 3 different kind of averages, one minimum, one maximum, on one weighted average, you can use this alligation technique there. All right. So, based on this, this is a very good set which you can try. Again, it's a very interesting set. Difficult नहीं है, अगर information को सही तरीके से लिख पाते हैं तो बहुत ही आसानी से solve किया जा सकता है. This is the set and these are the questions as you can see. A little bit of median, a little bit of percentage increase, a little bit of mod, weighted average, everything. This set is an amazing set in terms of the information that has been used here. You know? So, try this one and let me know your answers. Okay. So once again, these are the questions, guys, which we are going to discuss very soon. Okay, I am giving you a few more minutes to try this set. Questions, okay, Chitej, these are the questions. How many buyers gave ratings on day 1? What is the daily average rating of day 2, day 3? What is the median of all the ratings given on day 3? Which of the following is true about the cumulative average ratings of day 2 and day 3? Question 6, option A. Yes, Devang, that is really good. Option A is absolutely correct. Any other questions that you can answer? Okay. Any answers? Ayushman, Kshitij, Siddhant, Fincher. Devang is saying question number 7, it's 20. What is the median of all ratings given on day 3? It's no, it's not 20, I guess. It's not 20. Devang, please check your answer once again. Laksh Jain, question number 5, it's 150. Yes, so that is also correct. Question number 6, 3.6, that is also correct. बहुत अच्छे. Okay, chalo. Let's discuss it. What is the best way possible to solve this set? An online e-commerce firm receives daily integer product ratings from 1 through 5. 1 through 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are the ratings given by buyers. The daily average is the average of the ratings given on that day. The cumulative average is the average of all ratings given on or before that day. The rating system began on day 1 and the cumulative averages were 3 and 3.1 at the end of day 1 and day 2 respectively. This is the distribution of ratings on day 2. The following information is known about ratings on day 3. So we have ratings 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and we have 3 days, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4 and day 5. So let's make a table. one table is for ratings, then day 1, then day 2, and then day 3. How many buyers are there who have given these ratings on this particular day? है ना? So one, 2, 3, 4, 5. ये हो गया है ना? Now we should be able to use all the given information here. ठीक है? ऐसा. Right. We should be able to use all the information here. Just 1 second. Let me complete this so that we can use the information. If information cannot be used in the table, then we can use it here. All right. So initially the information that has been given about day 2, the information that has been given, number of buyers. Number of buyers are 5 who gave rating 1. This is 5. Number of buyers are 10 who gave rating 2. Number of buyers for rating 3 is 5 as well. Number of buyers who gave rating 4 are 20. And the number of buyers who gave rating 5 are 10. Right? Now, in case of day 2, what will be the average rating on day 2? Average is equal to 5 into 1, 5 plus 10 into 2, 20 plus 5 into 3, 15 plus 20 into 4, which is 80 plus 10 into 5, which is 50, divided by total, which is 50. This is equal to 130 plus 40, 170 है ना? कितना ये? 170 upon 50, which is equal to 3.4. So the total, the average rating is 3.4 on day 2, and number of people are 50. 3.4 and 50. On day 1, it's given that day 1 it's 3. The average is 3, right? Day 1, the average is 3. But taking day 1 and day 2, the cumulative average is given, and that is 3.1. Can I say on day 1 the average rating is 3, on day 2 the average rating is 3.4, taking both of them together the average rating is 3.1, the cumulative rating, this is 0.3, this is 0.1, so the ratio is 3:1. On day 1, number of people is 3 times the number of people on day 2, so the average is 3 and the number of people is 150. Then the information regarding day 3, 100 buyers gave product rating on day 3. So number of buyers who gave product rating is 100. This is 100. The modes of the product rating were 4 and 5. 4 and 5 were modes. Means we have already discussed about mods. What is mod? The term with maximum frequency. So number of employees who gave rating 4 or 5 are maximum. Means both of them are equal. Can I say if this value is x, this value is also x, and this is maximum. The number of buyers giving each product rating are non-zero multiples of 10. All of these values are non-zero multiples of 10. The same number of buyers gave product rating of 1 and 2. Same number of buyers. If this is y, this is also y. That is half the number of buyers who gave a rating of 3. So this will be 2y. Now total we have 4y plus 2x is equal to 100, or we can say 2x, not 2x, 2y plus x, 2y plus x is equal to 50, and we also know that x is maximum out of all these, means x is greater than 2y. All of these are multiples of 10 as well. So if y is least 10, then 2y will be 20, x will be minimum 30. 30 plus 30, 60 plus 40. So that is true. We can take these values as 10, 10, 20, 30 and 30. Now what we can say, on day 3, what will be the average ratings given by the buyers? So these are the number of buyers. Instead of actual value, you can also use the ratio. So 1 into 1 plus 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3, 6, 3 into 4, 12, 3 into 5, 15, divided by some of these ratios, 1 is to 1 is to 2 is to 3 is to 3, which is 10. This will be equal to 9 plus 12, 21 plus 15, 36 by 10, which is 3.6. So there are 100 people on day 3 and their average rating is 3.6. Their average rating is 3.6. Now what's left? The only thing that is left to figure out is number of buyers who gave particular rating on day 1. Is that given? No, that is not given, right? And the cumulative rating on day 3. So on day 1 the rating is 3, on day 2 the rating is 3.4, and on day 3 the rating is 3.6. Day 1 the rating is 3, number of people is 150. Day 2 the rating is 3.4, number of people is 100. है ना, यही था ना, 3.4 and 50, not 100. This is 50. 100 is on day 3. On day 3, the rating is 3.6. Number of people is 100. Now, what do we know about weighted average? That instead of actual values, we can also use their corresponding ratio. So, what will be the cumulative average? The cumulative average on day 3, right? Cumulative average on day 3 will be equal to, so 3 into 3 is 9 plus 1 into 3.4 is 3.4 plus 2 into 3.6 is 7.2 divided by 3 plus 1 plus 2, which is 6. This will be equal to 9 plus 19.6 by 6, which is equal to 3 times 1 0, 3 times 18, then 1 6, 2 times 12, 4 0, so 6, then 4 0, so 3.266. This is the cumulative average on day 3. Now let's solve these questions. How many buyers gave rating on day 1? Answer is 150. What is the daily average rating of day 3? We already found this. It's option A, 3.6. What is the median of all ratings given on day 3? Median of all ratings given on day 3. So देखो क्या हुआ है, 1 1 1 ये कितनी बार है, 10 times. Then 2 2 2 ये कितनी बार है, 10 times. Then we have 3 3 3 ये कितनी बार है, 20 times. 4 4 4 ये कितनी बार है, 30 times. 5 5 5 ये कितनी बार है, 30 times. The middle term, if there are 100 terms, the 100 plus 1 by 2, so that is not a particular term, but there are even number of terms, then the average of 2 middle term will be the median. So if there are 100 terms, 2 middle terms will be 50th term and 51st term. 100 by 2, 50, 50th term and 51st term. Think about this. 10, 10, 20, 40 टर्म्स हुए, ये टोटल 30 है, तो 51st टर्म भी 4 होगा, 50th टर्म भी 4 होगा, so the average will be 4, so answer will be 4 as well. Then question number 8, which of the following is true about the cumulative average on day 2 and day 3? So day 2, the cumulative average on day 2 is equal to 3.1, day 3 it's a 3.266 or 3.26, maybe 3.27. The increase, we need to find the percentage increase. So what's the difference? 0.16 divided by 3.1 into 100. Now can I say, if the denominator was 3.2, 3.2 का 10% 0.32 होगा, 5% 0.16 होगा, but denominator is less than 3.2, so this value will be bigger than कितना 5%. This value will be bigger than 5%. So the cumulative average on day 3 increased by more than 8% from day 2. More than 8% बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया. The cumulative average decreased, that is also not correct. The cumulative average of day 3 increased by a percentage between 5% to 8%. This value is greater than 5% but very close to it. So option C is our answer. You don't need to calculate it accurately, but if you have the calculator, you can use this, right? This value will be approximate 5.1% something. So क्या आंसर्स आ रहे हैं? क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 लक्ष्य का आंसर ऑप्शन सी है, दैट इज करेक्ट. क्षितिज गॉट 150A, 4 and C, that is absolutely correct. सिद्धांत also got the same answers. बहुत अच्छे है ना, very nice. So how was this set? This was a really good set, right? In terms of using all the types of knowledge that you know about statistics, you know about averages, percentage increase, and the approximation. Everything was in this set, right? So that's why this set is really good. So we were able to practice 2 sets as usual. Okay, tomorrow we are going to practice some more sets, but if you are committed for CAT 2025 or 2026, then you have a really good chance if you enroll with IIM ABC practice batch. This batch is for students who do not miss their chances particular year, that is CAT 2025, who are targeting 99.5 percentile and above that. You will get lots of quality content, updated content, more than 7,500 plus questions to practice in static and dynamic ways. There will be regular live sessions in the morning and each question will have video solutions. Okay. Then about the mocks, iCAT mocks are starting, and in these iCAT mocks you are going to get 35 CAT level mocks, 45 sectionals, and each questions will have video solutions that you won't find anywhere else, with AI mock analysis, which will collect all the information, will tell you where you are lacking, what's your strong point, what's your weak areas, how can you improve them. Okay, and with that you are also getting 10 OMET mocks, which include mocks for NMAT, SNAP, ZAT, CMAT. Okay, and the interesting part, our faculties will also take live mocks with you guys, just to show you how you should handle a particular mock in time pressure. All right, now for these iCAT mock, we are arranging some warm up sessions, so that ऐसा ना हो कि आपने syllabus नहीं किया है या revision नहीं किया है. So उन सब चीज़ों के लिए there are lots of warm up sessions happening at 5 PM every day, taken by Savannah ma'am, ALP sir, Raj sir, and Kamal Lohia sir, है ना? So after this, every day at 9 p.m. in our Facebook group, there will be iCat mini mock. You can attempt these mini mocks on our website as well, okay? And there are prizes as you can see on the screens. First prize 1000, second prize 600, third prize 400. This will go on till 5th June, and after that, mock 1 will be online, which is free for all of you. First mock is free for all of you. You can scan this QR code, join our WhatsApp group, or you can go to this link, join our WhatsApp group, where you will get all the updates regarding all the live classes, all the free content, free resources, and formula book, and all the suggestions that you need to crack CAT this year. Okay, guys, if you have any inquiry, you can call us at this number as well. All right. Now, if you are looking for CAT 2025 or CAT 2026, if you are really desperate for some really good percentile, 99 plus percentile, there were 500 plus students in CAT 2024 from iQuanta who got 99 plus percentile, and this year it will be even more because we have again restructured our content as per the latest requirement. And if you want to be one of those 99 percentiler, then iQuanta is your best chance, and CAT 2025 new batch is starting in next few days. Okay, so join us and join your dream B school. All right, guys. So thank you for joining us. Bye bye.